Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Alan Watts. No, let's start again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Let's start again. One more time. 5, 1, 2, 3. Hello, I'm Alan Volts. I'm a philosopher. This is the lecture part series 6, as labeled Accent part 7. Good evening. My name is Alan Volts. This is a lecture series, part 7 of 8. Today's guest is a linguist, a philosopher, a man of trade, an artist, a unique individual, one known as Mr. Pregnant at one point. Although he doesn't talk about that too much, we will get to that. This is an in-depth interview and a discussion of ideals, of consequence, and of permutations that are part of those things that you don't want to talk about and those things that you do want to talk about. Sometimes they flip-flop. So let us bring in, as part of our series, Mr. Atelston